Was this a nice place for you when you was here?
Let people know.
Let people know what?
That was loud. No, he's very loud.
The camera just got turned off.
What?
The camera in here just got turned off.
What?
The camera in here just got turned off.
The camera over there, shut up.
Ray camera dog.
You still think she's gonna tell you now?
He thrives on fear.
Who thrives on fear?
Can I come in?
Can my friend Ray come in here and get his camera? Huh?
Julia.
Julia, can Ray come in here? Is that your? I don't know if I take it.
Just gonna go get it.
Just get over there.
Yeah.
Go in there.
He's just getting his camera. He ain't gonna go there. Yeah. See, he just got leaving.
Because, you know, we walk down and into the hallway, and you walk straight back and we're in that very back room.
Temperature was close.
There's no big room there.
Young.
The office, and it might be locked off.
Am I young? I'm in my 50s. Can you tell me how old you are?
The weird thing is, nothing's been happening until now.
I'm gonna ask you again. Can you tell me your age?
I was standing by the door and it felt like somebody.
He will harm you.
No,
Who
I
will
turned
harm
the
you?
light on in there, so if you see the light.
I won't harm you.
I was going down through there trying to figure out where the glass was taken.
I'm a nice person.
In the closet where you got that motion light.
I was focused on my pistol and the rabbit.
Are you nice?
I saw it in my computer with 666 on it.
They also say my name is Damien.
Mm-hmm.
It said that, so.
Okay, we're gonna leave this room and go to another place.
Said that downstairs too. Said that here too.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want us to come back to this room? Maybe later?
I can't believe that thing still works.
What?
What TV?
On TV? Oh, yeah.
The hibachi.
My phone was gonna be one like it down in the basement. It's bigger.
Benedict.
Benedict.
And it still works.
Footstep.
Ring stuff over right there.
Yeah, footsteps. They're out there walking around.
Can you come in here and tap on the glass for us again?
Yeah. Wherever he was tapping on it at.
Can you make a tapping sound?
Desolation.
Can you make a tapping sound for us?
No, I'm gonna go smoke.
Huh?
He's all passing up.
Yeah, may as well.
We need to make it on what to do next. We'll go out and leave you alone, Carter. Well.
You want the keys? Okay, everybody's going outside. It's just me and you.
Oh, I'm here.
Yeah, Freddie's gonna stay here with us. He's watching the cameras. Do you like me, Billy? Huh? Proof. Proof what?
Static.
Daddy. Oh. That's my friend Freddie. He won't bother you. Yeah. You like Freddie being here with me? Huh?
Was that you tapping on the glass earlier? A few minutes ago? Or hitting the glass or whatever? Cause it's pretty loud.
Doctor.
You need a doctor? Well, I ain't no doctor. So you need a doctor? Are you sick? Is your chest hurt?
Viking.
There's a cat ball laying over here on the bed. Can you move in?
After. Tear.
Chatter. You said earlier that they treated you nice in here when you was a patient here. A lot of family members come to visit you. Hmm? Do you know the little girl that comes here and sings? We heard her today too. Did she come just to sing to everybody here or just to certain people that was here?
I'm over here.
Over where? Are you standing in the corner over there?
Presence beyond mirror.
Don't see where. Mirrors.
Do you want me to leave?
Do you want Freddie to leave? Are you just done talking? Hmm? Oh, they said last time we was here that you didn't like men being in this room, but you like me. So can you talk to me?
There's the tapping again.
Well, they're tapping over on that building or working over there.
That's not,
That's not the tapping that you heard?
no. 'Cause there's no way I could have heard that from, because I was in the other room with the doors completely shut.
Right. Can you,
Us.
can you make that tapping sound again?
It was on glass.
You live on. You tapping on the dresser? Okay, I'm gonna leave. We'll let Freddie in here by himself. Is that okay? All right, we'll be back.
Okay. So,
Find my grave.
I don't know about that, but as soon as I sat down, as you heard, his temperature light went off, and the temperature was at 66.6.
Pagan.
And then it just said pagan.
Cave.
Cave. Do you not want me in here? As soon as I sat back down here by myself, you made temperature go off.
We started it, we got it before o'clock this morning.
Awesome stuff. There's people coming in from downstairs. That's all that noise you're hearing. If you want me to leave, set one of these devices off or say yes or no on the box with the blue light on it. That's right.
I remember you.
Well, I hope so. If we were here some time ago. As soon as Carter left. Yeah. So you don't want me in here?
Hey Gracie, I am here. Are you okay, honey?
The noise was him.
What noise?
Yeah, I was outside. I just came back in with Raymond and Jennifer.
How you doing? Yeah.
So, hey, as soon as Carter left and I sat there by myself, as soon as I sat down, his temperature went off and it was at 66.6.
Are you serious?
And then it immediately said pagan.
Raymond is here.
Yes, you can.
There's Raymond, guys, from Spats Paranormal.
What we doing?
He was not like me, baby.
Yeah, you gotta knock on the door and ask if you can come in.
Let's see.
Love you, Sissy. Let's see.
What?
They're asking what it says the first school was a log cabin which was located what is now the Baptist churchyard. Following this was the frame building on the same site. The first record shows C.H. Beatty, R. McKenzie, and D.L. Stewart as trustees of the school in 1885. Later, the school moved to the first floor of the Masonic Hall. The building was then purchased in 1894 by the first two school teachers. The school was moved to 3 school buildings, which is located at the current location of school and burned in 1931. So the original school that was standing here burned in 1931. When these buildings burned, they rebuilt a 2-building school until the current building was built in 1939. The school last year's in operation was 1966. At that time, the building had a lunchroom, 5 classrooms, auditorium, and storeroom. The school was sold and converted to a personal care home in the mid-70s by Juanita Casers, later sold to Robert and Cliff Wallace, and in 2020 sold the matriarch properties. The current owners. The personal care home closed on September the 1st, 2023.
Can you do that for me?
I'm sorry, I can't see to read very good.
Hey, can you hear me? Look.
And that's Jennifer. She's the one who owns this place. Is there anything you'd like to tell them on the live?
Oh, hey, come join Jonesville and meet all my friendly spirits here. You'll have a ton of fun. You'll meet Indians to kids.
Yeah, downstairs, when he was in the building downstairs, in the room downstairs, under the stairs,
Yeah.
it said fight and it said chief.
We have Indians. Where are you? Y'all can get a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff, a lot. Did someone go in that room?
No, we're waiting in that room.
Ray, did you go in that room?
I wasn't there with the camera.
Go pull the door back.
Oh,
Yeah, Ray been in there.
Look, hello. Hey. Okay, I know one of you's here. Oh, you're hungry. I'm sorry.
We got plenty of food.
They got food.
Get a honey bun out.
Here, do you want something to eat? They'll go put it by the kitchen window, I bet you.
Maleficent.
I know you get that all the time. Okay,
Did anyone die in the fire that when the school burned or
we don't know.
don't know? No records?
There's places there's people that burnt on this land because I've got that where people have burnt, you can smell the smoke.
Yeah,
So it could have been a different house, it could have been the town.
yeah, but a lot of the people in
What's
the,
that?
that's a rip pod downstairs.
is someone down? Raymond went downstairs. But now when it was, the care facility,
We had flood
lost.
gas. Shannon died here, right here in foyer, and we had a person that died on the stairs there at the bottom, a person died on these stairs,
And then outside this room,
outside that room, and then a bunch from the smoke room downstairs.
yeah.
And then 2 in that one back bedroom, same bed.
So that's when a lot of the recorded
No.
passings happened.
Actually, that's when we know. But there's a grave out there that's 5. There's 2 tombstones, but I found out there's 3 unmarked graves in there too, so there's 5.
Where's that located?
Right on the edge of our property, you'll see there's like a fence around it. There's 2 tombstones out there.
Is it in this yard right
Yeah.
here?
Uh-huh. And a lot of stuff outside too. Thank you. I don't know who's here. Can you tell me who's here with me right now? I know it's beautiful here. I don't know who's here. If I say your name, can you just let me know? I'm gonna ask you if it's you. Oh, okay. Is that the kids doing that? Is that children doing that? No, okay. That's fine. Is it Eleanor doing this? Because I haven't been here for a while, Eleanor. Is that you?
I am Salem.
I'm Salem.
I don't know Salem. Salem, is that you? Do you know?
Well,
All right, Salem, I want to ask you a question.
so
Are you from Nonsuch?
can I go to the graves outside?
Are you at Nonsuch? Are you Jonesville? Are you from Jonesville? Salem?
Hey, Raymond. She said, the graves are right down here. Oh, let me get out of your way. Take y'all and see if we can find these graves. I'm guessing that's it. Hopefully I can keep service. Yeah, there's 2 headstones there.
See anything?
Yeah, there's 2 headstones, but I can't hardly make it out with all the grass.
Oh, but,
They got it plumb gated off. You cannot get in there.
can't even hardly, if you get over here, you might be able to zoom in and get them.
That says something more. Died 1981, January 9th, 1981. That's sad, because it's just... no one's taking care of it.
I see 2, I don't see the third one. Oh, you said 3 that's unmarked.
Yeah, they're unmarked. On the property.
How late you guys gonna stay? Or do you know?
Till about 1, because Sissy's prom. I gotta get back and get her ready.
Yeah, first when you were saying that, I was thinking, how are they gonna hunt all night? She's gonna be leaving. You know, you told me you was gonna be leaving at 1:30.
Yeah, we got a long trip back. I gotta get her ready and...
My trip actually wasn't too bad at all. I haven't decided yet how.
How long did it take you to get here from Ohio?
2.5 hours.
Okay, so just a couple minutes more than us.
Yeah, so it's only back to that main drag 75. It's only about 14 miles, and then they got all kind of places to eat, and right off that exit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if Aaron and Cheryl's going to come over tonight or if they're going to wait to come over tomorrow.
I wish we could have stayed later, but this has been amazing. Investigating it during the day and seeing how it changed from the last time we was here at night.
You said it's just active during the day as it is at night.
It's more active. It has been more active for us this morning than it was the whole night we was here.
Well, if you stop and figure, that's with any place, is most places, if they followed the pattern when they were alive, they were more active during the day.
Mm-hmm. Well, the schoolhouse, they would have been, like I say, we got here at 8 o'clock. So that's when school would have been starting. And
well, same with being a rest home, the older people were probably in bed pretty doggone early. So
yeah.
I stand to reason to be more active during the daytime than it would be at night. I was trying to get all kind of shit done, which I did, but I must have slept right through that alarm. I must have been sleeping pretty good.
I was
woke up and it's 6:47. I'm like, oh shit.
Getting up at 4 o'clock this morning. I set 4 alarms to make sure I got up.
Well, now that I'm retired, I don't have to worry about it most of the time getting up early anymore. A lot of times I don't go to bed till 4 or 5 o'clock.
I'm hearing something going on. Okay.
No, it went off. But you said it, though.
Are you buried on this? Are you buried here somewhere? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, they're buried here.
Let me ask the question.
Okay.
Are you buried over at the church?
Yes.
There's a Coffee and a Moore. That's all I can see. I couldn't see their first names.
Well, okay. Salem is over at the church. Did you go to church at Macedonia? Oh no, so it's called before that. It's always been Macedonia. Or did you go to the Methodist church here? No. I'm trying to think. Do you remember Lucille, Miss Lucille in the kitchen? She here from the 70s.
I was treated bad.
Oh, wait a minute. Are you from the jail? Was you at the jail? Were you at the Stone jail? No? See, it came up when I said that.
Yeah.
Were you?
Was you a guard at the jail?
No, they're touching, somebody's touching over there. I don't know if it's the same person. Where's that little farm? Okay, let's see here. Tell me they're a resident.
I said I've been here since what?
My death was brutal. Dorothy.
I've been here 600 years, it said. I'm just gonna sit here for a minute. Can you tell me the name of the woman in here? Did you just not want me going over towards that chair over there or towards the bed? Let's see. Oh.
My name is Lily.
Okay. I don't know if y'all could see that temperature, but. So your name is Lily?
Scroll. Jim.
Jim? Is there a gym in this building? As soon as I get up. You want me to sit back down? Do you not want me coming over there?
Joyfulness.
Okay, everything's
I'm
calm.
upset.
Why are you upset? Are you angry that I was trying to come over there and sit down? Just said something. Brother. Okay, now the temperature has changed to 66.5.
War.
War. And nothing's going, oh, there went back up. Oh, 33.9.
Clark.
Do you want me to go out? Use the Epic box there, the blue on the bed, to tell me if you want me to go out. Say yes. If you want me to go out. Well, now look, now it's up to 67.1. 67.
Please get out.
Please get out. Okay, all right, I'll go.
Is Mick your friend also?
No, it's not going off in there.
They're pulling so
They
hard.
killed him.
Oh, they killed him. Oh. Is Mick an adult?
Vengeance.
Vengeance.
Okay, is Mick an adult? No. Okay. So, Who killed him?
Whoa.
Whoa. Samuel. So did Samuel kill Mick? No, but maybe that was Samuel touching that. So Samuel, are you here? Yes. These are all new names, y'all. Everyone's new name. Samuel, can you touch anything over there to make it go off? You don't have to be shy. We're not gonna hurt you. I promise. Thank you. Thank you. You know I'm here all the time and my husband, but thank you for coming out today.
I'll show you, come here.
We just like these people.
You see that down there with the fence around it? Real, sorry. You see all that mowed and then that real big tall grass? Mm-hmm. That's it.
Right over there? On the other side?
Right there by the tree.
By the tree?
Yeah,
That's it?
yeah.
right there by the tree.
You can see 2 headstones. But the grass is so grown up you can't hardly see the names. And you can't even get into it. It's completely fenced around.
So that's the graveyard.
The graveyard's right there by that tree.
And she told us we can go down to that house if we wanted to.
Down to where?
To this house.
Let's go.
They're tearing up the floor.
Right now?
She said they,
I mean, you can ask for them, but she told me we could go down if we wanted to.
Well, if we can go, because we've only got like an hour left before we have to go. If we can go over there, let's go over there.
she said they're tearing up the floor, just be careful.
It stinks.
Grab some stuff, let's go. Because we only got an hour before we have to go.
Smells bad, we can go over there.
Samuel?
Was there animals in there or something, or just smells?
They just tore everything. But we ripped all it. There's no flooring because we ripped it. It's just subfloor.
Okay.
So we're redoing it all.
Yeah, but we got about an hour, so if we can check that out, let's go over there. We get to go to the house.
Shelley, are you a sister to Samuel?
Just gonna leave that camera in there.
Yeah, we'll leave it running.
What?
Are you going back some
Shelley,
stuff?
are you the mom? Shelley is the mom.
Oh.
Shelley is the mom.
That flashlight hasn't been going off the other.
No, when I just said Shelley was the mom. So Shelley, are you the mother to Salem? Alright. So Shelley, are you the mother to Violet?
No.
So is it unlocked over there?
Yes, we're going in.
Okay.
Shelley, are you the mother to Nick?
No.
Hey, Raymond, we're allowed to go over. Since we gotta leave soon. Wonder if my live will hold up. If it starts lagging, guys, someone let me know.
She said a lot of the names that come through there come from this house. While we standing in there.
So had someone passed away over here?
I don't know that. She said she got a new name on her phone. They said that earlier. When I was wondering about myself.
Lagging?
Well, at least we got church in here. Ain't that lady in here?
Is it okay now, guys?
Hello?
Used to be a whole lot cooler if it was dark and nighttime.
We're the Eastern Kentucky Ghost Club. My name's Carter. My name's Ray.
My name's Bobby.
My name's Connie.
My name's Jeremy. And we just come over here to talk to you.
Carrie. And so,
I'll use my voice.
Okay.
and so far the REM pod's going off and everything, so I think she's right. Is there a spirit over here that goes over to the rest home? One that can travel back and forth?
I know it's pretty odd that people come during the day to communicate with you, but we were just told we was allowed to come down here. Can you make a noise, or you said you use your voice? Can you talk to us?
Open your mind.
Open your mind.
Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but my mind ain't very big to open.
There's evil everywhere.
Yeah, there's evil everywhere, but there's also Jesus everywhere too. What's your name?
You see, there's the there's the rest home.
Jeremy, she
Right
wants to
there.
ask you a question, please.
Put it,
I want to ask you a question back there. You like that REM pod, don't you?
They blame me.
Failed and they blamed me.
Uh-huh.
Says failed and they blamed me. What'd they blame me for? The milligauss is going up on that one.
Yep.
Come here.
No, the guy standing next to you.
Well, there was two on each side, so there was you on one side, Jeremy on the other.
Talking about close.
Watch it.
What is she talking about?
keeps on getting a hit on the,
Come here.
It's a red, it's a heat signature. Did you used to live in this house? No idea.
Yeah, it ain't like there's heat on in there.
Mm-mm.
And that's in the shower.
Mm-hmm. It's getting, goes down little, then watch.
It's a yes and no device. You can talk through it, can answer yes or no.
Move around a little bit. I think I just saw something and I'm wondering.
Betsy.
Okay, that's not you.
No, it's not.
I'm seeing something move in there.
Yeah, you can play with them if you want.
They're renovating it because the people that moved out apparently left it in bad shape.
It's not a pig.
Betsy, did you used to live in this house?
I take that as a yes.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, back away from the REM pod, please.
That's crazy. So do you go over to the nursing home, well, the old rest home? Do you go over there and talk to people when they come to visit? Or do you stay over here?
I mean, this is crazy.
Yeah, we do so much investigating at nights. Who would have thought that daytime would be so much more active?
Yeah.
Yeah, true. I think getting that on today is just amazing.
I think next time we come down here to investigate,
Come a full day and night?
well, if we can make it, full day and night.
Well, yeah, but there's beds in the rest home. We could take naps.
Associate.
Footsteps follow.
Well,
Wonder if that means something was following them.
There shouldn't be no heat in there.
0.5, 0.4 on the milligas.
Yeah, but it's not going off.
Whoa.
I said it's not going off, and it said no.
did something bad happen to you in this house?
We're sorry if it did.
Did you pass away of natural causes? Was you just unhealthy?
That's what it, I have a weird feeling. I bet. Just some shine. Back up.
Do you not know how you passed? Okay, I'll ask that. Is there a portal in the bathroom? If so, make something go off. Shut up. Shut up.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? It's sitting there.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you kidding me?
As soon as we asked that, it smacked right into the house.
The bird did?
Yes.
You know what they say about
1960s.
oh my god.
That was crazy. And the REM pod started going off. It scared the REM pod as well.
It's Adam.
Yeah, it just smacked itself into a window. Stupid bird.
Yeah, but that was, it left feathers.
As you said, make something
That right
go
there is
off.
feathers. It hit so hard.
Bobby, you said make something go off, and there's a porter in the
Bathroom.
bathroom.
We mentioned the portal and a bird smacked into the window.
Or smacked into the-
And think about, look at where I was standing. I was standing right here. If that window had not been there, it would have smacked right into me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was coming after me. Oh no.
I didn't have my camera going.
I'm used to ghosts coming after me, but a bird?
Well,
I don't like birds.
That's strange too, though.
I'm afraid to go outside now.
That's weird.
That is.
Still there.
That's crazy.
Go outside, see if it'll attack you.
No.
You open that door, it might come in. It'll be like, I'll get you. I really hope this wasn't lagging and we caught that.
Can you see me?
Are you the bird?
Are you bird that hit the window?
Or did you make the bird hit the window? That sounds like Morse code.
I asked that question again.
Sleep.
Wait.
Did you cause the bird to hit the window?
I mean, I think he could walk up and touch it.
That was wild. Feathers still on the window. It would've got me.
It would've got
It was flying right for me. Do you not want us asking about the portal in the bathroom? I really hope we caught all that. That was insane. I'm afraid to go outside. It's like it's waiting for me. Look at it. It's out.
Jeremy, I think you could walk up and touch it.
I'm scared to go out there, Jeremy.
1970s.
That's just weird.
I was born in 1973.
I could have swore I saw a shadow over there in the hallway.
You probably did.
Did you affect the bird?
Did you hear that pop?
You heard As soon as you asked that.
I heard somebody sit down in that chair.
If you sit down in that chair, can you, know the devices?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Can you do this? Can you answer this ringer?
Shut up! Shut up! It answered! It answered! Oh my God! It went dun dun. It actually answered him. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That was
Thank you
insane.
so much.
Do it one more time.
After all this time of doing this, it answered for the first time ever.
We're gonna try it again. Can you back?
Hey, we caught that.
Here we go. You ready? Put up your energy.
It's like, no, I done it once, I ain't doing it again.
Here we
That's
try.
wild. We caught that. We caught that.
We'll try it one more time. Oh, don't do it on a flashlight.
Yeah, it's making the flashlight go off. A minute ago, it was just dun dun, and then it stopped. That it did it a few more. I don't got that.
Oh, you haven't counted.
I'm excited though.
Thank you.
We caught that a minute ago, and a bird tried to come after me.
Bang.
Real. It just said real. It said bang on one and real on the other.
Thank you.
Bang. It banged into the window. Do you think that's what it's talking about?
Could be.
Was that bird after me? Can you tell me yes or no? Would it have hit me if that window wasn't there? Okay, so that was Tanya that said yes. Okay. Or positive. It said positive.
This is going on. Besides the bird. Little fella.
It was a demon bird coming after me. And you feel sorry for it? Oh, I'm guilty. It said I'm guilty. Are you the one that made it do that? Oh yeah, millimeter.
Both of them going
It's
off.
nice to talk again.
It's nice to talk again.
It's a full grab.
Hey Carrie, did we at least catch the bird smacking into the window and the answer to the knocking on the wall?
There's somebody in here.
I really hope we did. Yes, ma'am. Yes! That's awesome. That's awesome. And then I'm guilty. It's saying it's guilty of making that bird do that. Am I safe if I go outside? Amelia.
Because I got to say,
Can't you hear?
Will the bird try and come after me again? I wish
It's
you'd
very nasty here.
Yes.
Bird still out there?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's waiting on me.
Well, that's actually it. Back away from the REM pod, please. Back away from the REM pod. I got a question I asked you. Is Bobby safe if she goes outside?
I don't know how to take that. I wish it'd answer on the yes or no box, so I know for sure.
Or say yes on...
That's okay. Bird comes after me. I've ran from birds before. I'll just take off running. I'll make smoke.
But every time you say the bird.
This is crazy. Encounter. This is insane. This is
I
crazy.
ain't got a good idea.
What?
If they're, they told us they're gonna open this house up for investigation. Next time we come down here, if it's opened, do the ghost box. Somebody sit in here on live, ask questions in there.
Well, considering it's done come after me, I'd probably need to be the one in here.
And see if it'll answer it. Put a walkie-talkie in here and just let the walkie-talkie. We talk through the walkie-talkie. And just use the headphones in here with the white noise. Don't bring those down here.
Yeah, because.
We'll probably do the Estes method next time we come back. We don't have time to today. Because we've got about a half an hour before we gotta
I
go.
say we go ahead and wrap up and go ahead and pack up.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. We appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We appreciate you.
Well, I'm gonna stay going until we leave, so. I wanna see,
This is my land.
Okay.
I wanna see if that bird's gonna come after me when we go outside.
Okay, we're gonna pack this.
Watch what I do.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
The bird's gonna get up and fly away.
Actually, I think it's gone.
Nelly.
Yeah, it is gone.
Okay, just go ahead and shut it off. Let's head back and let them know that we need to.
Thank you for communicating with us.
We've got stuff all over.
Keep the camera on.
Keep the camera on after it said.
Oh no. What are we gonna capture if I keep the camera on? Hopefully not a bird attack. I don't like birds. Okay, it's probably gonna lag a little, guys, but we're gonna head back.
Hold on.
Why?
We gotta do something.
What?
Do it again.
Do what?
Ask about the portal.
Huh?
Ask about the portal again.
Ask about the portal?
Yeah.
Where are we looking?
It's in the
You
tree
just
over
need to
there.
focus on the window.
Just focus on the window.
Participate.
Participate, okay. Is there a portal?
In the.
Afraid a bird's gonna smash through the window.
Once she asked it, did you feel that cold breeze coming in there?
Where are you all?
Is it sitting over
It's
there?
sitting there watching us.
It's watching us?
Yes, and then he's like, is it gonna do it again?
Well, it wanted me to keep
Look, watching it. It keeps flying around that tree and keeps watching it. Keeps watching us.
it wants me to keep the camera on. It's
It went bobbing.
funny.
That was good. Y'all like that one?
Yeah.
Where's a good bat when you need one? Not like a bird bat.
Anchor.
Anchor.
Oh, Bob.
Did it say anchor or what? Oh! It said wanker. You calling me names?
I got you covered, Bubba.
Duck down here.
Shoe, bird, shoe. Run, Bobby, run.
Watch what happens as I get pooped on. Shut up.
What?
Look at the mailbox.
2:27.
That's my birthday. My birthday's on the mailbox. My birthday's on the mailbox. Literally. That's my birthday. Oh my gosh. Yeah, protect me.
Always.
Get up there. My birthday's on the mailbox. That's weird. I'm waiting to get beat to the back of the head.
Yeah. Just walking in on the
I really hope that didn't lag so bad we missed all that, because that was crazy. We didn't answer the shaving a haircut thing. I lost my mind.
Oh, inside. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I wish we could have been over there. Freddie, you'll never believe it.
That was.
I gotta sit down.
That little whatever that was.
Oh my gosh.
That might have been worth the whole thing.
Yes. What we caught was once in a lifetime stuff.
Yeah.
You missed it. Oh my gosh.
I mean, I would've walked over, but my nerves killing me.
Potential.
Yes, if there was a problem with that, and a bird smacked the window.
To the point it left feathers.
Okay.
And if the window hadn't been there, it would have hit me.
When I say it hit that window with
It left feathers, head feathers on the window.
And then it went on to say that it was coming after me for asking that question. And Carter did the shaving a haircut. Guess what? The REM pod went right on cue. We lost our minds. Freddie in there singing. He thinks he's a little orphan Annie, I think.